Using paano in Tagalog sentences. How did you come to know me? Paano mo ako nakilala? How will you get Linda's bag? Paano mo kukunin ang bag ni Linda? Show me how to use this. Ipakita mo sa akin kung paano gamitin ito. Do you know how men shiver? Alam mo ba kung paano kiligin ang mga lalaki? How will you hear me if you're wearing headphones? Paano mo ako maririnig kung naka-headphones ka? How do we prevent disease? Paano ba natin maiiwasan ang karamdaman? How will you make sure that he will come? Paano mo natitiyak na makakarating siya? How did you get in? Paano ka nakapasok? How will I ever tell her? Paano ko sasabihin sa kanya? How will I be able to try this if I have no time? Paano ko ito masusubukan kung wala akong oras? How did you know that he is gone? Paano mo nalaman na wala na siya? How will you cook this without a pan? Paano mo lulutuin ito nang walang kawali? How do you translate this in your own language? Paano mo ito maisasalin sa sarili mong lingwahe? How can I distinguish the difference between truth and lie? Paano ko matutukoy ang pagkakaiba ng katotohanan sa kasinungalingan? How will you eat soup without spoon? Paano mo kakainin ang sopas nang walang kutsara? How will I be able to get this home? Paano ko maiuuwi ito? How can you show that you respect him? Paano mo maipapakita na nirerespeto mo siya? How can I help you if you don't want to be helped? Paano kita matutulungan kung ayaw mong magpatulong? How can you become aware of my needs? Paano mo mababatid ang mga pangangailangan ko? How am I going to finish writing? Paano ako makakatapos ng pagsusulat? What if he's the one in need this time? Paano kung siya ang nangangailangan ngayon? I need someone who will teach me how to do this. Kailangan ko ng magtuturo sa akin kung paano gawin ito. How should I know if they're coming? Paano ko malalaman kung paparating na sila? How did you get to know him? Paano mo siya nakilala? How will you change that? Paano mo papalitan iyon? How did you open the box? Paano mo binuksan ang kahon? I saw how you defeated him. Nakita ko kung paano mo siya tinalo. I don't know how to spell the word. Hindi ko alam kung paano baybayin ang salita. Do you have any idea how this happened? May ideya ka ba kung paano ito nangyari? How do you know all of this? Paano mo nalaman ang lahat ng mga ito? How will she pay her debts? Paano niya mababayaran ang kanyang mga utang? Tell me how he got it. Sabihin mo sa akin kung paano niya nakuha iyon.